Is your smartphone speaker sounding muffled or unclear? Have you ever accidentally dropped your phone in water or noticed dust reducing its audio quality? It's incredibly frustrating when your device's sound isn't as crisp and clear as it should be. Introducing Speaker Cleaner Pro, the ultimate solution designed to restore your phone's audio clarity. This powerful Android application effectively ejects water and removes accumulated dust from your device's speakers. It uses precise sound frequencies and vibrations to clean your speakers, bringing them back to life. With Speaker Cleaner Pro, you can say goodbye to distorted audio and hello to crystal clear sound once more. The app boasts an incredibly simple and intuitive interface, making it effortless for anyone to use. There are no complex settings or technical knowledge required. Just a few taps and your speakers are revitalized. Experience the difference as specific sound waves work their magic, clearing obstructions efficiently and safely. It's compatible with a wide range of Android devices, ensuring broad accessibility for all users. But Speaker Cleaner Pro is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a complete, ready-to-launch business opportunity. We are offering the full Android Studio source code, meticulously crafted for ease of understanding and customization. The code is clean, well-structured, and fully documented, allowing developers to integrate it into existing projects or launch it as a standalone app with minimal effort. Monetization is built-in and simple, with integrated ad mop for both banner and interstitial ads, ensuring your app can generate revenue from day one. It is also GDPR compliant, giving you peace of mind regarding user privacy and regulatory requirements. You'll receive comprehensive documentation, dedicated support, and regular updates to keep your app future-proof and competitive. This is an exceptional asset for any developer or entrepreneur looking to quickly launch a high-demand utility app on the Google Play Store. Don't let muffled sound ruin the user experience or miss out on a fantastic opportunity to own a profitable app. Get the complete Speaker Cleaner Pro Android Studio full source code today. Launch your own successful speaker cleaning app and start generating revenue instantly. Find the link to purchase in the description below and unlock your next big project.